So, and the bar's on there. See how it fits right down in that slot right there. And then for tightening, it's just like normal, righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. You can see how it moves the bar out to get that tension, right? Pretty simple. Yep. Your oiling plate right there is where the oil actually comes out. And that correlates on these bars to this tiny little hole right there. Should be one right there, and there should be one on the other side right there. So if that's on, it'll be up in that oiler slot. So when you're cleaning, make sure that's not clogged, and make sure that's not clogged. You can use a simple little air pressure to blow that out. That's the easiest way. It's even acceptable to use air to blow this stuff out if there's chunks, but don't blow air on the tip. There's 100 pounds of air straight onto these front sprockets will actually spin it faster than what a chain will. So potentially you could wear out those bearings. They make a chain cleaning tool also, which I know we don't have, but if you don't usually gum these up like wood cutters do, but a lot of people that are cutting wood all the time, these get really full of sawdust when it mixes with the oil. It kind of makes it a paste. But you can take a look down in there and see what's on there. In a pinch, well, that one's got a star head. Do we have a star-headed wrench in that kit in there? You know? Probably not. How about the little tiny screwdriver?
Fits.
You know, sometimes it's easier just to use the little tiny screwdriver, whatever. But this is something you don't have to do all the time. But if you happen to notice that the grooves in that bar are super dirty, you take this oiler plate off. Which isn't a bad idea to get in there too and see what kind of junk's in there. That's not bad at all, really. You can blow that off with the air hose and be fine. But that shows you where that oil comes out of.
Yeah.
So there's a pump underneath here, which is your clutch disc and everything. And it's just a gear-driven pump that pumps the oil out. But in a pinch, if you didn't have a bar cleaning tool and it was really bad, maybe you're down at 8s cutting all day, you can take the corner, this bottom side, right there, and just put it in this groove. Just run it down through, and that's pretty clean. There's nothing in there. Pretty clean. This guy goes back on. Keep in mind when you're tightening pretty much anything on these saws, it's either getting sunk into plastic or aluminum. So you don't need to Gorilla Grip it. You make it tight so it's not going to back out, but you don't have to really reef on there. I've seen it a couple times here since I've been in this department, but these studs, which is what the bar nuts go on, so they're just tapped into the block. And if you tighten those down super, super tight, you can actually get it to where the studs going into the block get stripped out slightly, and then you're kind of screwed. You gotta re-tap that whole side. Make sure it's down flat, just a little turn, nothing too crazy. Any other questions while we got this opened up? You guys ever get into here at all for maintenance? I shouldn't have to. The guys doing the maintenance should be taking care of that and greasing the bearings. We don't use them enough for we can grease those bearings all the time. Can't remember if this was that way or that way. I'm gonna flip it upside down because you can look and see it looks like the bottom side of this bar has a little net wear on this side.
Yeah.
Who's in charge of maintenance?
The guys at 4s, I think it's Terrence, Dubois, and there's maybe one more.
I know it's Dubois, I think I'm pretty sure it's TJ.
The easiest way to do this is to get one side started, stand up, put the pressure on the machine, just get all back in there. You can test, roll it back and forth once in. Takes a little bit of ambidextrous to do this, but if you're right-handed, it's easier, I guess. Hold the tension on the back side of the chain, hold the bar out. Do it down on that driver there. And see, I undid this quite a bit, so I'm actually going to tighten this up just a smidge. See that pin coming in there. So this bar, when you set it properly, see how it's got a little bit of detent up and down? It's kind of hard to see. Have you ever started the saw and then first time you use it, all of a sudden the chain went really loose. You ever seen that before? Yeah. It's not a common thing, but if this bar gets tightened when it's in this down position like that, that can happen. You'll think it's tensioned up perfectly and the bar nuts are holding it on, and then the first time you go to spin it, it kicks back into its normal spot, and then you got some tension out there. So I'll show you how to alleviate that. Using that ambidextrous grip. Throw your plate on there, and then you can actually let go of that. Get these on to where they're just touching, but you're not going to tighten with the scrunch yet. That's called a scrunch, by the way. Because it's half screwdriver, half wrench. So it's a scrunch. So that's just hand tight down. It's not going to go anywhere. And then take any solid surface you have, make sure the chain breaks off. So watch when I put this down normal. So the gravity of that bar is pulling down that way, right? We want it to be tensioned up in that position. So there's that play.
Yeah.
So you gotta tighten this. Put the tip on something. It automatically puts tension on the tip. Get your screwdriver in there. Start tightening. See that chain starting to work its way up. So as soon as you see it all suck in and touch the bottom of that bar, really dead close. If you're a woodcut, you can stop right there. So it gives you a fairly loosened up chain, so you have good chain speed, but it's not getting too much friction. Again, you gotta make sure the chain breaks off. You have the chain break on, it's gonna not good, right? So just when you're going kind of slow, it just all sucks up across. And just a little more of a turn. It's not even a quarter, I'd say maybe an eighth. That's all you do. Snug, but not over tight.
Wish I had a microphone.
It does. So that should still spin. Not too bad. It's a little more underwoody for wood chain. But you'll feel you still have enough play to get a little space in there, but it's tight enough so you don't have to worry about it popping off. And that technique, we have the same size bars, all the way to 20-inch bars. If you were using a different saw, which for storm boxes, there's 25-inch bars in there and some 32s. Same process for tightening the chain. Do that every time, you're gonna be plus or minus 5% ratio according to the focus stuff.
We're running we have wood chains on our store box. This on